Subscribe to Android Discovery Channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Apple has started transitioning from Intel chips to its own ARM-based Apple Silicon platform with the M1 chipset. It has already launched MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, and recently the new iMac, all powered by the M1 chipset. The company is also working on new MacBook Pro models with a revamped design and probably in two different sizes, 14-inch and 16-inch. Now, John Prosser claims that the devices could go official at the upcoming WWDC, which kicks off on 7th June. It remains to be seen if the upcoming models come powered by the M1 chipset or the new M2 or M1X chipset, which has already entered mass production. The company already has MacBook Pro models powered by the M1 chipset, so the new models will likely come with a new chipset that is yet to be launched by Apple. A report from Bloomberg claims that the device will come packed with a 10-core Apple Silicon chip with 8 high-performance cores and 2 energy-efficient cores, along with 16 or 32-core GPU options and support for up to 64 GB RAM. Earlier, it was reported that the upcoming 14-inch and 16-inch models of the MacBook Pro will feature a mini LED backlight display. It was also said that RUI Optoelectronics will be the exclusive supplier of these new mini LED panels. It was revealed that Quanta Computer will be responsible for the final assembly of the upcoming MacBook devices. There are also reports that indicate that the company is bringing back the MagSafe magnetic charging to the MacBook. It is also said that Apple is getting rid of the Touch Bar and replacing it with their physical function keys. Apple is reportedly planning to reintroduce the MagSafe port, and the 2021 MacBook Pro models could feature an HDMI port and an SD card reader in addition to a trio of Thunderbolt USB-C ports. Similar to the newly launched iMac, there's a possibility that the device could be made available in multiple color options. Based on the models launched so far, it's likely that the pricing for these new models will mostly remain the same as the current models. Subscribe to the channel, and like and share the video. Thank you.